What is good, Ape Nation? It's Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this one I'm going to be talking about the one and only AMC stock and help you guys better understand what's going on with the charts and what you should be looking out for the future. Now, before I do any in-depth technical analysis, before I talk about what's going on with AMC's share price, I do have to mention some very important things first. The first thing is I'm not a financial planner, so please do not take this as financial advice. And also, if you guys can, please smash the like button if you want to see more videos like this. It not only benefits me, but benefits the entire Ape community as a whole. And the last things, if you guys can, please check out the Moomoo link down below in the description. If you do sign up for Moomoo and deposit $100, you're not only going to qualify for up to 5 free stocks, each worth up to $3,500, but you're also going to have the opportunity to win up to $200,000, as Moomoo is giving away 200 grand for the new year. So if you want your chance to win $200,000, guys, check out the link down below, deposit $100 into Moomoo, and you will have your chance. With that out of the way, let's get on with the video. So AMC had a monster of a day, and I was kind of wrong, and I do apologize for that. AMC was looking like it was ready to follow a channel, but now the chart's looking a little bit more different because we have a confirmation of a different movement, right? So here's what's happening to AMC. We're bouncing out of the falling wedge that we were in, and now we're starting to just run up and drop, run up and drop, and it was looking like we were going to run up and then drop, right? And this drop didn't look like it was. So I thought that we were going to drop a little bit more before having a big run up. And I was wrong about that. It does look like we started to run up. But guys, there's something you have to be looking out for. So for AMC, guys, it's looking super bullish right now. Extremely bullish. We might see this thing in the 20s relatively soon. Now, the thing to remember, guys, is max pain is around 19. So tomorrow's Wednesday. It's going to be a tough day for the hedge funds because I see AMC running up hard. We're going to see AMC in the 20s. We could go as high as 22 very soon. But here's the problem. The thing is, the entire market is probably going to have a small pullback in the future. And AMC might drop a little bit. It might drop down to maybe the 20 flat or back to 18 before having another reversal in the future. So why do I say that the market's going to have a pullback? Well, look at Tesla, guys. In fact, look at the SPY. Let's look at the SPY first, then Tesla. You guys already see this giant gap right here from the SPY. I mean, it goes from 440 all the way up to 443. So the SPY is going to drop a little bit, guys, by a few dollars in the future. I don't know if it's going to happen next week. I don't know if it's going to happen until maybe Thursday, because what happened was the market ran up because of the fact that there was news about the Russia situation easing up. But based off what I found, it's not necessarily the truth. The situation hasn't completely eased up yet. It did ease up as Russia is moving troops away, but President Joe Biden did state that based off his data, he claims that it still is very possible for Russia to invade Ukraine, and the entire market kind of like took a hit because of that. It's starting to drop a little bit. I mean, Roblox got destroyed. If you look at Roblox, they were up 7.29% for the day after they had their earnings. Now they're down 15% in the after hours. That's pretty crazy, guys. I don't know if the shorts are up to something crazy, but anyways, you guys get my point. AMC, however, is holding up really strong. If you count today, it's up 9.75%. After hours, 0.41% in the green too, 10% in the green over the last from when we opened until right now, which is in the after hours too. 10% in the green. AMC crushed it. So it's looking even more bullish than I thought, guys. I mean, I honestly thought that we'd have a bit of a pullback before having that big reversal. But it turns out that's not what's happening. It looks like AMC does not want to drop as low as I once thought it did. And it's using these exponential moving averages. It's using the 50, and the 60 EMA. It's using them as basically support. So the next level resistance, it may come right over here at the 120, which is 1950, which is where we have resistance. But we could break it, guys. We broke it once. Maybe we may not break it yet. We could get rejected tomorrow, but then eventually we're going to break past it, and it's going to be very, very fun, guys. Maybe tomorrow. It can all happen in one day. So what I anticipate for tomorrow, and I could be wrong, it really depends on the market. It depends on what's going on with Ukraine. It depends on the Fed. But the Fed is not going to be too hawkish until I'd say mid-March. But guys, here's how I see it, okay? I think tomorrow, let me draw this out. Where is the polyline? We're going to get rejected for 1 second, drop a little bit, and then explode. We're going to run really hard to maybe like 20, $21 range, probably between tomorrow and then Wednesday. And then we're going to start dropping. So we're going to run like that, and let me redo it. And then after that, we're going to start dropping, running up, and the hedge funds are going to try to bring AMC down really hard. We may close around the $19 range on Friday. So Friday would be like right here. So they're going to try, guys, to bring us down really hard. That's probably what's going to happen on Friday. But then we're probably going to bounce off the trend line and start a very good run for the next week or two, like really good runs. And that's how I see AMC, guys. But the retracement may not be as bad as some people think, right? We might just like keep on running, and we're going to run hard. So, yeah, it's looking really good from what I'm seeing. We could see AMC in the mid 20s by next week now, because it's even stronger than I thought it would be, right? I didn't think like it would really run like this yesterday. But anyways, let's look at some other technical indicators that look really good. I'm going to use the 2-hour candles. Let's look at hold on, indicators. Let's look at the DMI, MACD, RSI. Check this out, guys. If I move like this, we're seeing this big spread between the positive line DMI and the negative one. That's a very bullish indicator. Very bullish, guys. MACD, it flipped with the 9-day moving average. We ran up. It flipped again, so we dropped a little bit, and it looks like it's about to flip again right here. It's a little bit hard to see. I'm sure you guys can see it. It's about to flip. We're about to run, guys. It looks really good. And let's see if the RSI loads. If not, it's kind of okay, but I mean, it's looking really strong. RSI is at 63.03. This thing wants to run. I don't know if the market's going to try to bring it down. I don't know how hard it's going to be for them to short it. We're seeing less shares available to borrow right now. Utilization, the true utilization is going up. It's not at 100, but it's getting higher. So, like I said, this thing really wants to run. I wouldn't be surprised if we had a big run before we drop a little bit and have a massive, massive run once again next week. That's how I see it, guys. It's looking very, very good. And we should be following this trend maybe for a few weeks until maybe the MOAS starts. It may start sooner than you think. It may not. It may take a few months. It may take another year. It doesn't matter, guys. No dates. We're not worried. We remain calm, cool, and collected, and we are not going to lose. I thank each and every one of you, and I'll see you on the next one. AMC to the moon, and peace out.